Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be talking about why your 4K TV may not actually be showing the real 4K quality even though the TV itself supports 4K. So one big mistake that people make is assuming that everything on a 4K TV automatically plays on 4K. So here, if you are streaming YouTube, Netflix or Prime videos, you just have to make sure that the video itself is set to the 2160p or the Ultra HD. Many of the applications lower the quality automatically if the internet speed is low. Afterwards, you need to use the correct HDMI port as well, as some of the TVs only support the full 4K 60 Hz or HDR on the specific HDMI port. So if your streaming device like PS5, Xbox or PC is connected through the wrong port, the TV may limit the resolution without clearly warning you. So you need to always check your TV's settings for the HDMI enhanced mode for the input plus and deep colors. Now the older HDMI cables can also stop the true 4K from working properly. So for a stable 4K HDR performance, especially at the higher refresh rate, you need to always use the high speed HDMI or HDMI 2.1 cable. The cheap or the outdated cables often cause blurry output, flickering and the lower resolution. So some of the streaming services lock 4K behind premium plans. For example, certain Netflix plans only support HD unless you upgrade. So you will also need stable internet speeds, usually around 25 Mbps or higher for proper 4K streaming. So you need to keep these things in mind and see if your TV is now playing the video in 4K. Thank you.